Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 14, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we've been dealing with a very volatile market, and we're dealing more with it today. You have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 20.5 points right now at a 26.25 per contract. So all in all, the futures are off the worst levels, but nonetheless, they really have tumbled and are lower to start the morning. So we'll see what we get out here today. We got a few stocks in the news, some big ones as well. So let's get started here. We're going to start the day off with Costco. COST, they reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock right now is trading at $2.16 a share, closed at $2.26.51. So that's a 10-point decline for Costco. We'll be watching this pretty closely. When I look at the stock right now, you have a big 200-period moving average coming up on the daily chart at around 213. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll look for some levels out here, and we'll see what we get. But again, this is going to be in play today. Costco getting hit pretty hard after their earnings announcement. Now we have another big one out here. It's Adobe, ADBE. Stock right now is trading at 240. Oh, closed at 248. Right now it's trading at 243, so down 5 points from yesterday's close. Adobe has been a very, very good stock and a strong winner in 2018. However, it is coming under some pressure. We'll be watching this one. I don't think there's much to do here with the stock at the moment. Let's see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But Adobe down a little ahead of the opening bell at the moment. Next up, we have Starbucks. SBUX looks like they came out with some guidance. Stock is getting hit right now, trading at $64.29. When I look at Starbucks around the $60.50 level, maybe even $61 area, I get interested, but not until then. So again, we'll look at this and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. But again, Starbucks under pressure this morning. And again, that stock is down by nearly $3. So again, we'll see how this plays out. But we got some big companies in play this morning. Let's take a look at Shopify, SHOP. I did see some news on this morning. I can't even remember what it was. But stock trading at $149.65, closed at $161. That's a pretty big haircut. Now, this stock has a tendency to move big when it does. So, again, we'll see how it plays out, but we'll keep this on the radar. This will be in play today. Next up, we have Activision, ATVI. It looks like the target was lowered at Needham. Stock right now is trading at $47.31. We'll keep this one on the radar. I did work out a level for Activision already if it does trade lower. So, again, we will have that in play today. Next up, we want to take a look at Cisco. Cisco down on, I believe, a downgrade. Stock is falling right now. It is trading at $46.41, closed at $47.47. So you got a dollar dip here in Cisco. I don't think there's a whole lot to do yet. I have worked out Cisco levels, though. So, again, I have levels ready to go if it does trade a little bit lower. Let's take a look at Walgreens Boots Alliance, or WBA, as we call it on the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at $79.18, closed at $82.30. So, good little dip here. Level I like for this stock, though, is around $77.50. Keep that on the radar today. You might get a quick bounce there. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures, believe it or not, trading down about 8.5 points right now. So gold getting hit pretty hard. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 116.79, closed at 117.53. Spot gold at the moment is trading at $1,238 an ounce. Next up, we have crude oil down just a penny. Crude oil had a big afternoon yesterday. It rallied up. Let's take a look at the USO. USO right now trading at $11.14, closed at $11.21. So oil holding up right now. Spot crude $52.55 a barrel. So we'll see how that shakes out. But a lot of moving parts out here. Last night we had some news coming out of China. Looks like they're going to take off tariffs on U.S. autos. Market don't like it. China had some very weak economic data. I don't know why the market seems surprised about that. You do have a trade war going on. So in any case, futures right now down 21.75 points. Right now they are trading at 26.24 per contract. So we'll see how this all shakes out today. Again, we had a great day in the intraday stock chat room yesterday. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. It's just really been a great 2018. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.